What's up, folks? This is Wesley, billion dollar version with another video. I'm going to show you right here, live in this video, how to make $300 per post on your Instagram account with this strategy that I'm going to show you step by step. You don't need followers, okay? You don't need to be famous already. You don't need any money. If you just listen to me for free in this video right here, I'm gonna show you basically how to do it, okay? So first step is this, and remember, don't smash the like button until I give you massive value. Is that cool? All right, check it out. All you need, step one, is the Instagram account. Did you see that? You need an Instagram account. Now listen, what I did, I created a brand new account. It's called Love Cats Like This, okay? I do have another Instagram account that's Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. Feel free to follow me. I have about 1.1 million followers, whatever. But listen, I want to prove to you that you have, look at this. I have 30 followers, 61 following, whatever. You know, it's a new account and you can do this with nothing. And they're going to pay you $300 per post, okay? But what's important is you have to listen, tune in, relax, and basically model what I'm doing. All right, now check it out. What you want to do is type in the word books, okay? Do it with me. Use your laptop. I don't care if you have a Windows or Macintosh laptop. Type in the word books. So what you want to do is you want to find pages, Instagram pages of people that read books, okay? Like Booksmart, okay? Booksmart. So these are people that read books. Well, maybe. I don't know. This is a movie, right? So let's find another page. Books. Type in books. Penguin books. Okay, so we know there's 514,000 followers here. Great, okay? And these people read books, okay, all day long, okay? Now, you want to open up a tab, okay? That's one tab, right? Penguin books. Now, you want to find another page. And I've already found a few for you, okay? To make it easy for you. Books and Lala. She has 64,000 followers. Now, listen. Now, this is very important, so I want you to listen very close, okay? Make sure that every page on Instagram that you open up a tab for have at least 10,000 followers. And I'm going to explain that later in this video, okay? But it's important. You have to have at least 10,000 followers for this to work. So all you do is, man, you just find a ton of pages with books. Like you can do a hashtag book. Look. Hashtag books here, okay? You can click on that and you can just find accounts that basically have people that read books. It's important. It must be people that read books. So we basically, look at this, Books a Million, okay? They have 56,000 followers. Great. So we want to basically have this tab as well. So listen, you get it now, right? You want to have about 10 different pages of people that follow pages like this that obviously read books. Are you with me so far? If you're with me, comment the word, let's go! Right? Because I'm trying to show you guys how to leave your job. Because jobs suck, you know? How many of you want to leave your job this month? Give me a, hey, mate, I'm tired of my job. I'm tired of working for $10 per hour. That's insane. Now listen, okay? You want to open up about 10 to 15 pages, Instagram pages that have people that read books. And like I said, just go to search here, right? This is the work you got to do. Look at me. I'm relaxed in my bed. You're relaxed in your bed, maybe in your chair as well, doing this. And you're finding basically pages that have books of Instagram. Look at that. Books here. It's another book. Okay. 12,000 followers. So that's one I want to keep. Okay. Go through here again. Look through some more books here. Okay, you should be doing this with me. Look at that. Chronicle books, that's 196,000. And stay with me here because I'm about to blow your mind. You're gonna see how this works and how easy it is, but you do have to take action, okay? So the point is, you need to open up several Instagram pages of people that read books, okay? That's important. Are you with me so far? Now, the next site you need to go to is what's called Audible, right? Let me go to it, hold on. Audible.com. Audible.com is basically an Amazon company, okay? And no, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, are you saying I have to read books to make money? No, okay? Excuse me, guys. As a matter of fact, even if you don't know how to read, you can still use this. If you've never read a book in your life, this works for you as well. And it's very powerful once you see it, how to make money online. People are using the strategy to make a ton of money. I did it in 48 hours. I made $600, okay? And I know you can make $300 very easily online, okay? So Audible is basically a site where people that write books, and they get their books to the point that they want it to be audible, okay? People reading the book, because some people like audiobooks more than written copy books here, okay? Millions and millions of people every day go to this website, hundreds of millions, right? And they order this stuff, all right? Does that make sense? But this is what you want to do, okay? Now pay attention. You want to go to Google.com. Make sure you follow me. And listen, I know you guys love me right now, and I know you want to smash the like button, but not yet. Don't smash it yet. Listen, type in Audible affiliate here, okay? This is very simple here, too simple. If this is simple, go ahead and smash the like button if this is easy to do, okay? Audible affiliates here, and what you want to do is become an affiliate, okay? Now listen. I'm gonna break it down to you. I'm gonna show you how to get the traffic. I'm gonna show you how to get just pay attention. That's why you have to listen to everything I give you, okay? Don't try to rush the process. The one thing that wealthy people understand, that you have to be thorough and patient, okay? Thorough and patient. Take your time. This is not a race, it's a marathon, okay? But I'm gonna show you how to take another route, okay? An easier way to do this, okay? But the great thing about Audible.com is this here, is they're gonna pay you, okay, $10 if people sign up with a membership. Now check this out. Even I have an Audible membership. How many of you have an Amazon account or an Amazon Audible membership? Almost everybody does, right? But look, see, if you don't, it doesn't matter. They're gonna pay you $10. But this is the crazy part. Now look, I want you to look real close. Hey, I'm talking to you, okay? Listen, look. Even if they don't pay, they're gonna pay you $5. Listen, even if the people from your Audible affiliate link account, right? If they don't pay nothing, a trial, they're gonna pay you $5. Is that insane? So I'm gonna show you something. We're gonna do the math, right? Let me show, and then they're gonna give you 50 cents every time somebody buy a book. Now this is called passive income. Write that down below. Passive income as you decide to like this video, because this video should be liked, right? Now listen, let's do the math here. 22,000 followers here, right? You got this up. Now imagine if you basically, you're gonna do a deal with this guy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you're gonna pay him to do a sponsored post, okay? Make sense? And basically, you're gonna give him your affiliate link, right? That you just signed up here. Now, understand this, 22,000 people are not gonna watch the story. Let's just be conservative. Let's say 5,000 people actually watch the story. And after 5,000 people watch the story, let's say 1,000 people actually swipe up. Are you with me so far? And out of that 1,000 people, let's say only 200 people actually sign up for a free trial. See if they'd even buy. They just got the free trial. You do the math. If that's 200 people, 200 times 5 is $1,000. Hello? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you to life right now. I'm smashing that like button because people need to see this. And listen, let's do this again. And listen, you're going to do this to every page that you open up. Remember, you have over 10 Instagram accounts right now that have people who love reading books, right? These are the only people that you're going to target, okay? You're going to reach out to these companies. I'm going to give you the script in a second, and you're going to just send them just a couple of words. This is the script. Write it down. Hey, how much do you charge for a shout out? That's it. That's all you're going to do. How much do you charge for a shout out? Okay? That's it. And you're going to reach out via DM to all these different people. How much do you charge for a shout out? How much do you charge for a shout out? And they're going to tell you. Some people, believe it or not, they like this. I promise you, they probably charge $20, $10, $5. It'll blow. Look, I'm gonna show you something in about 2 minutes that's gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna show you proof that sites and Instagram pages like this, $5, $10, even $2, you can do a shout out. It's crazy, right? Now, Do the math again. If you got 22,000 followers here, in one state, you pay them $5, $10, $15 to do a post for you, okay? And they do the post recommending a book with your Audible affiliate link, okay? Does that make sense? Let's imagine if you want to recommend Think and Grow Rich, okay? And you take the link and say, hey, I want you to do a sponsored to your fans about this book, and tell them to swipe up and check it out now, okay? Once they do that, say if only 10,000 people look at it, but say if only 1,000 people actually swipe up, but only 200 people, okay, take the free trial. Well, they're gonna pay you $1,000 for the free trial. You see that? Does that make sense? That's like, this is easy to do. How many of you right now feel that you can do this? Is simple. Listen, I have so many streams of income on the internet right now. It's insane. And I'm trying to help people like you, men and women on the planet, that are tired of the just over broke job. You know, why are you working for 10 and 20 bucks an hour? These people here, you do one post, that's $1,000, $500. Listen, say if it's only 100 people, right? 100 people. Let's do another one. Look at this. That's 196,000 people. Do I need to do the math with that? Hello? Hello? Does that make sense? Smash the like button. As a matter of fact, obliterate the like button right now. If I'm giving you massive value, listen, it's up to you how much money you want to make in this process. You can go here, you can spend an hour, and you can get about 100 pages of books. Instagram pages that have over 10,000 followers, right? Now, the reason why, listen please, the reason why you need the 10,000 followers is because when you have 10,000 followers on Instagram, you get the swipe up feature, okay? If you don't have 10,000 followers, you can't use the swipe up feature. Does that make sense? So you have to make sure every page about books specifically, okay, that they have the swipe up feature. This is a ton of money you can make. Like, you can do this like right now as you're watching this video, but make sure you smash the like button, because you got to show your boy Wesley Virgin some love. Let's go, okay? And I will keep doing videos like this. And if long, just sub to the channel. As a matter of fact, hit the sub button, turn on the notification bell, because you need about, listen, this is not gonna make you $1 million, but if you do like 5 or 10 of these strategies that is on my YouTube page, then you'll never work another job a day of your life. Does that make sense? But you gotta do the work, okay? Okay, now listen. You see the site right here? Go to shotcart.com, okay? Sorry guys, I need me another haul. Go to shotcart.com. Now, look at this. Hold on. Let me do a refresh. This site right here, browse influencers, okay? These people here, look at this. You can pay them $15, $40, $30, $15. And look at this. For 15 bucks, that's 29,000 followers. They'll do a shout out for you, for 15 bucks. Okay, 15 bucks. Look at that, 16,000 followers. Okay, 15 bucks. Does that make sense to you? You give them 15 bucks and they're gonna do it for you. Okay, so I'll find the cheapest people. Look at that, that's 10 bucks. 10 bucks. You see that? That's hello. That's 10 bucks, big head. Big old chrome dome head. Nope, but you can't use this guy. That's 1.9. Okay, it has to be over 10,000. So you scroll through here, you find cheap. Don't pay 500 bucks. Don't do that. 20 bucks. 30 bucks, 15 bucks. Look at that, 735,000 people. That's insane, right? I use this site all the time, by the way, for other stuff. $15, you can give them and ask them to do a shout out for you, and you can give them an affiliate link and they'll do it for you for 15 bucks. Does that make sense? This works, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? This works. I'm gonna give you another site. Look, cause I know what you guys thinking. Well, you said Wesley, you said $2 or $3, okay? So I want to see that. Okay. Go ahead and smash the like button, please. I appreciate that. I really will. Influencercart.com. You know, I'm giving you sites that I know programs right now, they pay you for these sites. So it's like, why would you pay someone to give you a site that's free on the internet? I'm not sure. Look at that. What did that say right there? It starts from $3, 23,000 followers. Football, tee-hee-hee, right? If you pay them $3, they'll do a post for you. Does that make sense? This site is cheap. Look, $10. See, this is what the gurus will show you. This is why people like my content, because I'm very transparent and I expose a lot of people. I don't say their names. I'm not a bottom feeder. I would never use anybody's names. It's a lot of them too. But listen, this is like, I could have sold this for a profit, but I want to give it to you for free. And all I ask you to do is to hit the like button, and in the comments below say, I love you, Wesley Virgin. Keep making videos like this. And I appreciate that if you do that right now. But as you can see, it's $5. That's 301,000 people here. And see, now check this out. You may be saying, well, Wesley, this is not about, I'm sorry, guys. Can you guys see that? Hold on. All right, here we go. This is not about books. How would I make money from this guy? Well, if I have $3, how would I do a sponsored post? That's all you do. Look, watch this. You go to Google.com. Watch me here. You type in best books best books about football. Is everybody with me? And then you're gonna see all these books pop up, okay? And you choose one of these books. These are the best books. These are the top books out there, right? They are being downloaded almost probably every day. And you go to audible.com and you find that book in Audible form. And then you reach out to this guy again. Hold on, let's go back. You reach back out to this guy right here. Where did he go? Where did it go? Well, the football tee-hee-hee, right? And you basically pay him $3 and you send the book, the best football book, because it's related to the actual niche of the page. And you get it done. And you can do this with anybody. Look, you do it with cats. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley. $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, leg out.